We are discussing logarithmic function. So one more thing you have to remember, 11th property number 11 is log of x base e. If you take base e, where e is what? Where e is equal to, e is near about 2.71. The value of e is what? 2.71. This is denoted as ln x. ln means natural log, where ln means short form of natural logarithm. Right. Log of, next one is log of x base 10 is equal to log of x is equal to this. Both are same. If you have log x base is not written, then this is equal to log x base 10. That means if base is not written, then it is on base 10. Otherwise base will be mentioned whatever other base will be, that will be given in the base, or it will be written in bracket somewhere that it is taken on base something e or something 5 or something 10, something 12 or anything, whatever the base is. Now let's do some questions based on the properties of the logarithm. Now, if log of x base 5 is equal to 2 is given, then what will be the value of x? I told you that log of x base a is equal to, let's say it is given b, then what will be x? X will be a to the power b. If you have this type log x base a is equal to b, then x will be a to the power b. So from here x will be how much? 5 to the power 2. So this is x is equal to 25. This is our answer. You must remember that input values must be greater than 0. So x is coming 25, so this is positive number, so it is the answer. Now next question is solve, let's say log of 25 base x square, 25 base x is equal to 2. Let's say you have to solve this question, right? So use this property. So this can be written, what will be the solution of this one? 25 is equal to, this will be x to the power 2. From here x square is equal to 25, so x will be how much? Plus minus of 5. X will be plus minus of 5. But here there are two values coming, plus 5 and minus 5. But here we have to apply the condition also. Input value is already positive. Okay, so I told this property that x log x base a is defined for x greater than 0, a greater than 0, and a does not equal to 1. So you have to apply this condition. That means condition will be what? From here, what will be condition? Condition will be 25 greater than 0, x greater than 0, and x does not equal to 1. Right? This is already true. So our interval is what? From this one, our interval is coming x belongs to 0 to infinity minus 1. So this is the value of x where this log is defined, and our answer is what? 5 and minus 5. So we have to check whether these two values are in this interval or not. Right? So x equal to 5 lies in this interval, but x is equal to minus 5 does not lie in this interval. So x does not equal to minus 5, only x is equal to 5 is our answer. So solution of this one is what? X equal to 5 only, not minus 5, because minus 5 does not lie in this domain, in this condition. Now let's solve this question. Log of x square base 5 is equal to 2. If you want to solve this one, log of x square base 5 is equal to 2, then what will be our answer? So this one we can be written as x square is equal to 5 to the power 2. That means x will be what? Plus minus of 5. But here we have to find the values of x for which log will be defined. So what will be the condition on this log? What will be the condition? So input is x square, so x square must be greater than 0. Base is already positive because 5 is given, and base is also not equal to 1. So what will be solution of this one? Solution of this one will be x belongs to minus infinity to infinity except 0. So for these values of x, this log is defined. Now here x is equal to 5 and minus 5 answer is coming. So x is equal to 5 and minus 5, both answers lie in this interval. So both answers are correct. So this is our answer. This is final one. Both answers are correct. Right? Now let's solve this question. What will be the value of x? So first of all, you have to find the values of x for which this log is defined. So what is the condition? Condition is what? X cube must be greater than 0, x must be greater than 0, and x does not equal to 1. Solution of this one is what? Solution of this one is by Baby curve method. Solution is what? X belongs to r minus 0. From here, x is greater than 0. Now take the intersection. If you take intersection, what will be answer? 0 to infinity from this one, and x does not equal to 1. That means x belongs to 0 to infinity minus 1. So this is the condition for which this log is defined. Solve this one, take intersection, solution is this one. From here, solution is this one. Now x is equal to 1, we have to subtract from this answer. So this is the values of x for which this log is defined. Now solve this equation. So by the property of log, x cube will be equal to what? X to the power 2. Now take this side. So x cube minus x square must be equal to 0. So take x square common. So it will be x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x square is equal to 0 or x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. these are the two values of x, but we have to check whether these two values lie in this interval or not. So see, 1 already does not lie because 1 already subtracted. 0 we have to check, 0 also does not include it. So there will be no solution for this one. That means so no value of x. That means our answer is what? Answer is x belongs to 5. So from this one, x is equal to 5. No value of x for which it will satisfy. Now let's solve this question. Log 2x plus 1 base x is equal to 2. So this, how will you solve? Eliminate first log. So this will be 2x plus 1 is equal to x square. From here, this is quadratic. Now solve. There will be two values of x, this and this. Now apply the conditions. What will be the conditions? Conditions will be what? 2x plus 1 must be greater than 0, x must be greater than 0, x does not equal to 1. From here, answer will be x greater than minus half. From here, x greater than 0, and this one, x does not equal to 1. So take intersection of this one and this one, right? If you take intersection, this one take intersection, so our answer will be what? 0 to infinity minus 1. If you take intersection of this one and this one, answer will be this one, and x does not equal to 1. So this is our values of x for which this log is defined. Now answer is what? 1 plus root 2 and 1 minus root 2. 1 minus root 2 will be negative value which does not lie in this one. So this will be rejected. 1 plus root 2 will lie in this interval. So this is our answer. Final answer is this one. So answer of this one will be what? X is equal to 1 plus root 2. So this is our final answer of this question. Now let's solve this based on this property. Log m base a plus log of n log n base a is equal to log of mn base a. Based on this property, solve log of x minus 1 base 2 plus log of x base 2 is equal to, let's say 2. Let's say it is 3. We have to solve this question. Let's say. So here we can apply this property. Log m base a plus log n base a is equal to, can be written as log mn base a. So this can be written as what? This can be written as log of x minus 1 into x base 2 is equal to 3. So this can be written as, again eliminate now log from here. So this will be x minus 1 into x is equal to 2 to the power 3. So this will be x square minus x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation. So x will be how much? 1 plus minus of under root b square minus 4ac. So this will be 32 by 2. So answer will be 1 plus minus of root 33 divided by 2. Right. So there are two answers. We are getting two answers. X is equal to 1 plus root of 33 by 2 or 1 minus root of 33 by 2. We are getting these two values. Now we have to check first condition whether these two values are accepted or not. So what is the condition? Both log must be defined. Base is positive and does not equal to 1. So no need to apply any condition on base. So we have to apply condition on input only. So x minus 1 must be greater than 0 and here x must be greater than 0. So first from here x greater than 1, from here x greater than 0. Now take intersection. If you take intersection, answer will be what? This one. So this is the values of x for which both log are defined. So check the answer. 1 plus root 33 by 2 will be in this interval or not. Root 33 will be how much? 5 point something. 5 plus 1, it will be 6 point something, and if you divide by 2, it will be 3 point something. 3 point something will lie in this interval, so this is the correct answer. Now check this one. This is negative value. This is the negative value, and negative value is not here, so this will not be the solution. So this is rejected. Only answer is what? X is equal to 1 plus root 33 by 2. So this is our final answer of this question. Right? Now let's solve this question. So this, how will you solve? Use this property. Log m plus log m can be written as what? Log m into n. So this can be written as how much? Log of base 7 2 to the power x minus 1 into 2 to the power x minus 7 is equal to 1. Right? By using the log property of this one, log of m base a plus log of n base a can be written as what? Log mn base a. Now eliminate log from here. So this can be written as what? Log of x base a is equal to b. Then what will be? X is equal to a to the power b. So from here, 2 to the power x minus 1 into 2 to the power x minus 7 is equal to what? It can be written as 7. 7 to the power 1 will be 7. Now solve this one, multiply this, right? So this one will be how much? If you multiply this and this, let here, let 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to t. Then this can be written as t into this can be written as what? T minus 6 is equal to 7. If you put here 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to t, and this will be t, and this can be written as 2 to the power x minus 1 minus 6. So this is the value. So now this will be what? T square minus 6t minus 7 is equal to 0. Right? So what will be solution from here? This will be t is equal to 6 plus minus of under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So this will be 6 plus minus of root. This will be how much? 4, 6 divided by 2. So this is t is equal to 6 plus minus of 8 divided by 2. So from here, this will be 8 plus 6, 14 by 2 or minus 2 by 2. So t is coming what? T is coming 7 or minus 1. Right? Now substitute the value of t, this one. So t is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to what? 7. For t is equal to 7. So 2 to the power x is equal to 8. So 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 3. That means x is equal to 2. Now next one, 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. When t is equal to minus 1. There are two values of t is equal to 7 or minus 1. So you have to substitute here t is equal to 1, 7 and then minus 1. So for t is equal to 7, solution is coming this one. For t is equal to minus 1, now solution is coming 2 to the power x is equal to 0, and 2 to the power x is equal to 0 cannot be 0. 2 to the power x cannot be 0. So from here, no solution. No solution. No solution. So solution is coming this one. Now we have to check the condition also. We have to check condition whether this solution valid or not. So condition is what? What is condition? Condition is 2 to the power x minus 1 greater than 0. That means 2 to the power x is greater than 1. That means 2 to the power 0. That means x greater than 0. Next one, 2 to the power x minus 7 greater than 0. That means 2 to the power x is greater than 7. Right? Now this is what x is. 2 to the power x greater than 7. So these are the two conditions. That means you have to take intersection of this one, x greater than 0 intersection 2 to the power x greater than 7. Now answer is coming, x is equal to 2. So we have to substitute whether these two conditions are satisfying or not. So x is equal to 2 included in this one, and if you put here x is equal to 2, it will be 4. 4 is greater than 7. 4 is not greater than 7, so this is rejected. This is also rejected. You can check from here also. If you put x is equal to 2 here, it will be what? 4 minus 1, true. But here if you put x is equal to 2, it will be 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 will be minus 3, and input value cannot be negative, right? So this is also not satisfying. That means no solution. So this one is no solution. That means x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Answer is coming, x is equal to 5 in this case. No, here it is not 2, it is 3, right? X is equal to 3 is coming. 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 3, that means x is equal to 3 is the answer, right? So we have to check whether x is equal to 3 satisfy both the inequality or not. So if you put x is equal to 3 here, it will be valid, this one. If you put x is equal to 3, 2 to the power 3, that means 8. 8 is greater than 7, that means satisfy. So x is equal to 3, satisfy both. Satisfy. So x is equal to 3 is our answer. So solution is what? Solution is x is equal to 3. This is the correct answer. Not 5. It is x is equal to 3. So this is our final answer. So answer is what? X is equal to 3. This is our final answer. Now let's solve this question. It is given if log 2 base 7 is equal to m, then you have to find the value of log 28 base 49 in terms of m, right? So what will be the solution? Log of 28 base 7, 28 base 49. Now you have to solve this. You have to find the value of this one. So this can be, here m is what? In terms of log 2 base 7, right? Input is 2, base is 7. So you have to express this one in terms of these values, 2 base 7, right? So this can be written as what? This can be written as log of 4 into 7 into, this can be written as what? 7 square, right? First of all, this can be written as log m into n can be written as what? Log m plus log n, first property. So this can be written as log 4 base 49 plus log 7 base 49, right? So this is log of 2 to the power, this can be written as 4 2 to the power 2, and 49 can be written as 2 to the power 7 to the power 2, plus this can be written as log 7 base 7 to the power 2. And I told one property, log of m to the power n base a to the power k, then this can be written as n by k log of m base a. You apply this property here. So this can be written as what? 2 by 2 log of 2 base 7 plus this can be written as 1 by 2 log of 7 base 7, right? And this is the property, log a base a is always 1. You can add this property also, log a base a, if bases are same, then its value will be always 1. A will be greater than 0, a does not equal to 1, right? This is the necessary condition. A must be greater than 0, a does not equal to 1. So this is what 1. So this is equal to log of 2 base 7 plus 1 by 2. And log of 2 base 7 is what? M. So this is equal to m plus 1 by 2. That means its answer is what? 2m plus 1 by 2. So this is our answer in this case. Let's solve this question. Now let's solve this question. If log AB base A is equal to x, then you have to find the value of log AB base B in terms of x. So first of all, you have to simplify this one. Now this can be written as what? Log A base A plus log B base A is equal to x. That means log A base A is what? 1. I told you this property. So this is log of B base A is equal to x. That means log of B base A is equal to x minus 1. Now we can use this value, this value log B base A is equal to x minus 1 in this one. So we have to find what? Log of AB base B is equal to, this can be written as what? Log of A base B plus log of B base B. Log of B base B is what? 1. So this can be written as log of A base B plus 1. Now here it is given log of B base A is what? X minus 1. And here base is changed, right? I told you one more property, that log of A, log of n base n can be written as what? 1 by log of n base n. If you change input values, then it will be reversed like this. So log n base n can be written as 1 by log of n base n. So this can be written as 1 by log of what? B base A plus 1. And log of B base A has the value what? X minus 1. Substitute here. So this will be 1 by x minus 1 plus 1. Now take LCM. So it will be 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. This cancel out. So this is equal to 8 over x minus 1. So this is the answer in this case. Answer of this one is coming what? This answer of this one is coming what? X over x minus 1. This is our answer in this case.